Hello everyone. In this video let us solve two more problems of probability chapter because these two problems are asked in 2 marks or 3 marks section. That's why I am taking these two problems. In the first problem, cards marked with numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 50 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. The next condition is very important. A card is drawn at random from the box. That means they can take any card from the box. Find the probability that the selected card bears a perfect square number. This statement is very important. That means the drawn card must be a perfect square number. First of all, ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್. ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ n of s. n of s is equals to, what is the total number of outcomes here? Here 3, 4, 5 up to 50 numbers are there. That means some of the students will subtract 3 from 50 and they will write 47 is the total number of outcomes. This is the main mistakes most of the students commit. That's why you should not do like this. Here first the numbers are taken from 3 to 50. Okay, here the number 3 is also included. The number 3 is also included. That's why we have to include 3 also. That means we have to leave first two numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this up to 50 numbers will be there. Here first two numbers we have to leave first two numbers and we have to include 3 also. We have to start counting from 3 to 50. That means it is simple. Subtract 2 from 50, you will get 48. Here our total number of outcomes will becomes 48. Now the first step is over. The next step is we have to find out the number of events. That means here the condition is the drawn card must be a perfect square number from these 248 cards. That means 3 to 50 we have to identify what is the total number of perfect square numbers that lies between 3 to 50. It is very easy. 3 is not a perfect square number. 4 is a perfect square number. After 4 9 will comes. After 9 16 is a perfect square number. 25 is a perfect square number. 36 is a perfect square number. 49 is a perfect square number. Now we have to stop our process of finding the perfect square numbers that lies between 3 to 50 because 50 is the last number. That's why I am stopping the procedure up till 49. Now we have to count the total number of events that occur between 3 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 outcomes will be 6 outcomes we got. Next our job is to find out the probability. P of E is equals to n of E divided by n of S. This is the main formula of finding the probability of an event. Here the value of n of E is 6, n of S value is 48. Okay, 6 ones are 6 eights are, it will becomes 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is the probability of an event that we got a perfect square number between 3 to 50. This completes the first problem. You will get, if you do all these steps, you will get exactly 3 marks. Okay, this is a 3 marks question. Let us move on to next problem. 20 tickets. The second problem is 20 tickets. Here the total number of outcomes is 20 tickets. On which numbers, that means the each ticket has a number from 1 to 20. They are numbered from 1 to 20 means total number of outcomes will becomes 20. Next, are mixed thoroughly and then a ticket is drawn at random out of them. Find the probability that the number on the drawn ticket is a multiple of 3 or 7. It is very very important. Multiple of 3 or 7. That means we have to find out n of multiple of, that means event means you can write e instead of multiple of 3 or 7, you can write e also, n of e. Multiple of 3 or 7 between 1 to 20, between 1 2 3 4 up to 20. Let us start writing the multiples of 3. First 3 is a multiple of 3. Next 6 is a multiple of 3. Again 9 is also, 12, 15, 18. Now we have to stop our process up to 18 because next multiple of 3 will becomes 21. It exceeds 20, that's why I am leaving my procedure. Next we should not discontinue our process up to 18 because they are asked to find out the probability that a number on the carded ticket is a multiple of 3 or 7. That means we have to include 7 also, multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 from 1 to 20 is 7 will comes between 1 to 20. Again multiple of next number, multiple of 7 is 14. 14 is also multiple of 7. Next 20 multiple of next number is 21. 21 we should not take 21 because 21 exceeds 20. That's why we have to stop our procedure up to here. This is the data of our multiple of 3 or 7. How many datas are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Totally 8 outcomes we got. Next we have to find out probability of an event. Probability of an event formula is already known, n of e by n of s. I already told you that instead of writing multiple of 3 or 7, we can write e because it is an event. Multiple of 3 or 7 is an event. Don't forget, n of e value is 8, n of s value is 20. 4 2s are 4 5s are, I think. Yes, 2 by 5 is the probability of an event. Probability of an event that the number on the drawn ticket is a multiple of 3 or 7. This completes the problem number 2. In the next video, let us solve some more tricky questions on probability chapter. Thank you everyone.